Baby's création, share, like, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. This is a sweet 16 party coming up, guys. I got a little flowers. I make the centerpiece for the table, so the color gonna be a lavender. So I mix it with a little white and gray, so to make them, because it's a silver, lavender is silver, so I try to create something look good, gorgeous. So you know, babies like bling. So let's get started. Give me a thumbs up, share, like, if you're coming. This is me. This is when I found the full mandala tree. I buy some, so I put both together. So I do those out of camera, and then I got some bling a friend sent to me. So I try to use the bling in the bottom to nobody gonna be see the form. So that the way you see the bling, I put the bling because that the is I gonna be used for the table. All of this the same. So stay tuned for the venue coming up. So guys, I think you're gonna be like it. So I try to buy fresh flowers, but that's gonna take all of my time for the fresh flowers, because I gonna do some cooking too. I gonna do some sweet table, so all stuff gonna be coming on me. So that the way I try to use artificial flowers. Share with somebody, give me some thumbs up if you like it. This is me, Baby's Creation. Bye guys, see you next time for the next video.